Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash. In this video I am going to share you how to design the GitHub profile. Okay, so most of the students are interested in designing their profile, right? So by the end of this video you are also able to do designing this GitHub profile. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started to our video and see. This is my GitHub profile which is designed by me, and see here. First we will have that hi, and I am this so and so name, and what is the special title about us, and you can also add the images, and see here I have added the Twitter section, and if you click on it you are redirected to Twitter profile. Okay, and see here, this is about me, and you can add some of the portfolio links, and what are the languages you are familiar with, and uh, you can also contact me by this mail, so on, so like this. You can also add your personal information here, and you can connect with me on these social media applications, and see here, these are the languages and tools which are familiar by me, and most of the languages I have personally used, and see, I have contributed total 68 68 projects, or 68 contributions I have done up to now, and this is my current streak, which is started on December 1st. So mostly I will not use GitHub, but uh, I will suggest you to daily create a repository or be active on this GitHub profile. So it will be very helpful. And so I I have not mentioned that what is the GitHub, and what is the use of GitHub, right? Uh, so see here, what is GitHub means? GitHub is a version control system where many of the developers use this GitHub. If you have any project, and if you want to modify, or if you want to add any further features for an application or a project, so we have to put our code somewhere else, right? So we are using this GitHub, and we are pushing our code to GitHub, so that the total project or the total files will be in one place. Okay, so whenever we want to modify, or we want to change, or we want to add a new features to the application, then we can easily create, or we can easily modify the file. So here the term used is commit. Okay, whenever we want to add or modify, if we want, if you are uh, like you know if we modify the code, and if we commit, it will be in this uh, GitHub. Okay, so this is the version control system. If we want to control the versions or the files, the system is used, so the GitHub is developed. Okay, most of the developers use this GitHub. Nowadays there are some of the tools which are uh, like you know coming comparatively with GitHub. So see here, these are here you can find me on the websites, and the tech and tool preferences which are used by me. And before creating this design, my profile looks like this, guys. See here, how weird like this. See, these are the repositories which are just I created, and it looks like this. Okay, now I will show you how to create like this. Okay, this is a sample one. No need worry of if you are not like this. If you want to create by your own, you can also do it yourself. I will show you how to create a sample one like this. So First of all, we need to click, uh, we need to sign in for the GitHub first. Sign in to GitHub. Okay, it looks like this, guys. If you don't have account, please create it, and after that you will find here the plus symbol. Click on that and create a new repository. It will take a little time, and you will get like this. So you should give the repository name as your owner, like you have to give the same name here itself as I created before. I will just show you how to create it. Okay, Sai Prakash. Gundemera. Okay, actually see here, I have already used this, so it is getting like the repository is already exist. Okay, so I will just show you after. See, after creating the repository name, you can also add a description. It is optional, and keep this in the public, because anyone or everyone should got to see you, no? So that's why you should keep this in the public. And see, create a, sorry, add a readme file. You should tick on this. You should click on this and finally create a repository. Okay, for example, just creating one here. So after after selecting this, just click on the create repository. Okay, sorry guys, it is taking a little more time. Okay, now you got like this. Okay, next click on the, or sorry, here we have the readme file. Okay, uh, we will find the pencil symbol here. This is for editing, and just click on this. You will get like this. Okay, this is for sample purpose only, guys. You just need to give only your name only. Don't give like this. It will create a normal repository. Okay, like this. If in case if you are given like your name, then it will show you hi and your name like this. It will show you hi and your name. Okay. So next you should open this one. GitHub profile readme generator. I will give this link in the description. So after completing, after seeing the video, just go through that website and you will find like this. Okay, and just you will get like this, guys. You have to fill all these. These are all initially they will, by default you will get some, you know you will get some of the description, and you can also modify that. I'm just giving Sai Prakash. Okay, after give a subtitle suitable for you, which is suited for you, and you will get like this some. I'm currently working on. If you are actively working on any other projects, you can also give the project name and project link. I'm not giving anything now, and I'm looking to collaborate on. You can also give this, and I'm looking for help with. Okay, if you want any help by collaborating with others, or if you want any other help to do or to complete your project, you can also mention that. And I'm currently learning, I given React.js, which I am currently learning now, and ask me about. So you can also ask me about these skills which I have completed. Okay, So just I'm giving this, and how to reach me. You can give your mail ID. Okay, see here, you will find like this. So just you have to enter your mail ID. Okay, if you have projects or portfolio websites, or you know this is like portfolio link, you have to give your website link. And if you have any blog link, you can also mention that and know about your experiences, like resume link here. Fun fact, you can also give your fun fact which is about you. And coming to the skills, so click on which languages you have known, only mention those. Okay, don't put all these, and don't click on all these things. I just know Python and JavaScript, so just I mentioned those things only. And after coming to front end development, I know HTML, CSS, and React. Okay, so I just selected those. And coming to the back end development, I just know Node.js, that's it, and Express.js. And coming to mobile app development, I don't know anything, guys. Really, I am currently learning on this. And if you know AML things, you can also click on here. And databases familiar with, I know SQLite and data visualization, DevOps, and like those all frameworks. You will find all those things. You just select what you know, and Arduino, Git, and Linux. Okay, and coming to the social media platforms, you just want to give the usernames. Okay, like this, you will find GitHub username. You have to mention this, and Twitter profile, and LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile. Like this, you have to add some of them, and add-ons. What you want to see. So like if you click on GitHub trophies, you will find the trophy symbols like that. It will be very clumsy, guys. That's why I just selected these four: a visitors count badge, and the top skills which I know, and GitHub streak status, and Twitter badge. If you unselected this, you will not find the Twitter badge. Okay, and finally, just generate a readme. You will get a sum of the code. Okay, you have to see, you got a lot of code. If you want to write by our own, it will take a little time. So that's why this is the readme generator. So just go through this link. Okay, and after this, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, after pasting this, just preview, guys. We will get the preview of the readme file. See, we got like this. Okay, if you want to add something more, you can also add. If see here, in my profile I just added this one. Okay, how to add this image? We just, if you know HTML, you can also add the tag. We know that HTML, if you want to add image tag, sorry, if you want to add image, we have the image tag. So src equal to image source, and see here, whatever the image we should add, that one we have to select. So I'm opening this image itself. Open this image, I got this one. Okay, I'm just selecting this URL and pasting it here. And we want width of width of I'm just giving 100%, guys, and we will see how the output is. Sorry, something error. See here, the space is not given, that's why we got error. So if we given space, then we will see the output. See, I got like this. If you also want to edit the height, you can mention the height as well as, if you want to give height of, for example, if you want to give 40 VH, see, we will get like this. So this is not that much clear. Okay, that's why I'm removing this height and just giving the width. So the total width of the image will occupy 100%. So that's it. After getting like this, we just need to commit the changes. So uh, click on the commit changes and just give the commit. That's it, guys. After doing that, our profile will also be looks like this. So you have to keep in that mind this one point, guys. What it means is, just you should make sure that the repository name and the owner name must be same. Okay, that's the only one point that should be keep in your mind. That's it. And you also can look, can create like this. Okay, yeah, I think, I hope you understood. If you not understood something, please comment me down. I will make sure to solve your doubt. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.